Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy American English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello to our amazing listeners. I'm so happy to be here with you today.
It is great to see you, Paul. You look very happy today. You have a big smile.
I do. I'm feeling very good. The year is almost finished.
Yes, can you believe it? The end of the year is here. It went so fast.
It went very, very fast, like a fast car. Vroom.
Yes, exactly. And because the year is ending, today we have a very special episode.
Ooh, a special episode. I love special episodes. What is the topic?
Today we are going to talk about how to plan your next year.
Wow, planning the next year. That sounds big and maybe a little difficult.
It can be big, but we will make it simple. We will talk about easy ways to organize your life for the new year.
I need this. I am not very organized. My plans are usually messy.
Don't worry, Paul. We will help you, and we will help everyone listening.
That sounds perfect. But Emily, before we start planning,
Yes?
we must ask our friends for a small favor.
You are right. If you like our podcast, please click the like button now. It helps us so much.
Yes, and please subscribe to Easy American English Channel. We want to learn English with you every week.
And share this video with a friend. Maybe you can plan your next year together.
That is a great idea. Planning with a friend is fun. Okay, Emily, I am ready. How do I plan my year?
Okay, the first step is not about the future. It is about the past.
The past, but we are planning for the new year.
I know, but first we must look back. We call this reflection.
Reflection, like looking in a mirror.
Yes, exactly. You look at the year that is finishing. You ask yourself, what was good?
Ah, I see. I think about the good things from this year.
Yes, we call these highlights.
Highlights. Okay. So I make a list of my favorite moments.
Yes, take a notebook, write down 3 or 5 happy things from this year.
Let me think. This year I went to the beach with my family. That was a highlight.
That is a perfect example. It makes you feel happy, right?
Yes, I remember the sun and the water. It was nice.
Great. So you write that down. It helps you see what is important to you.
Okay, step 1, write down the good things from the past. What is step 2?
Step 2 is about the future, but be careful.
Be careful. Why is it dangerous?
No, not dangerous, but many people make a mistake. They make a list that is too long.
Oh, I do that. I write, I will go to the gym every day. I will read 50 books. I will learn French. I will learn to cook.
Paul, that is too much. You will be tired in January.
Yes, usually I stop in February.
Exactly. So for simple planning, pick only one big goal.
Only one, just one big thing.
Yes, one big thing that you really, really want.
That is hard. I want many things.
If you choose one, you can focus. Is it money? Is it health? Is it English? I think for next year, my big goal is health. I want to be stronger.
That is a fantastic goal. So you write it down in big letters, health. Okay, I'm writing it in my head, health.
Now you need small steps. A big goal needs small steps.
I understand. If I want to be strong, I cannot just be strong. I need to do things.
Yes. So what is a small step for health?
Maybe walk more?
Yes. Walk for 20 minutes every day. That is a small, easy step.
That sounds easy. I can do that. I can walk to the coffee shop.
Well, maybe walk to the park, not the coffee shop. But yes, it is a simple habit.
I like this. One big goal and small steps. It is not scary.
No, it is not scary. Now, step 3. This is my favorite part.
What is it?
You need a calendar.
A calendar on my phone.
You can use your phone, but I like a paper calendar, a big one for the wall.
Oh, I see. So you can see the whole year.
Yes, when you see the year, you can see the special days.
Special days like Christmas.
Yes, holidays, but also birthdays. Paul, do you remember birthdays?
Sometimes. Last year I forgot my sister's birthday. She was not happy.
Oh no, Paul. See, you need a calendar.
You are right. I need to write the dates.
So sit down with your calendar, write the birthdays of your family and friends, write the holidays.
Okay, that is a good plan. I will not forget my sister this time.
Good. And you can also plan your fun time.
Fun time? I have to plan fun?
Yes, work is important, but rest is important too. Plan a vacation or just a long weekend.
I like that. In June, I will go camping. I can write that.
Yes, when you write it, it becomes real. You get excited.
I am excited now. I want to go camping.
Wait for the summer.
Okay. So we have reflection, one big goal, and a calendar. Is there more?
Yes, there's a very nice idea called the word of the year.
The word of the year. What does that mean?
It means you choose just one word. This word is your theme, your feeling for the year. Just one word for the whole year.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, my word for next year is calm. Calm.
That is a nice word. Why calm?
Because this year was very busy. I was running everywhere. Next year, I want to be slow. I want to breathe. Calm.
I like that. It is peaceful.
What about you, Paul? What is your word?
Let me think. Maybe learn.
Learn. I love that. Why?
Because I want to learn new things. Maybe learn to cook better, learn more about the world.
That is wonderful. So when you have a choice, you think of your word.
So if I am lazy, I think, no, Paul, your word is learn. Go read a book.
Exactly. It helps you make decisions.
This is very powerful. Just one word. It is simple English, but big meaning.
Yes, it is. Now, Paul, we are an English channel, so we need to plan for English too.
Yes, of course. How do we plan our English learning for the next year?
Do not say, I will be perfect in English.
No, but I want to be perfect.
Perfection is very hard. It takes a long time. Say something practical.
Like, I will listen to a podcast every Tuesday?
Yes, that is a perfect plan. It is specific.
Or I will learn 5 new words every week.
That is great. If you learn 5 words a week, that is, let me do the math.
Oh no, math.
That is more than 250 words in a year.
Wow, 250 words. That is a lot. Just 5 words a week.
Yes, small steps, Paul. Small steps.
I feel very motivated now. I want to get my notebook.
Oh, that is another tip. Get a nice notebook.
A special notebook.
Yes, I love stationery. I love new pens and new paper.
I know you do, Emily. You have many pens.
I do, but buying a new notebook for the new year makes you feel fresh. It's a new start.
A clean page. I like that feeling.
Yes, write 2025 plan or whatever year it is on the first page. Make it beautiful.
Can I use colors?
Use all the colors. Blue, red, green. Make it fun.
Okay, I will buy a blue notebook. Blue is my favorite color.
Perfect. So, Paul, do you feel ready for the new year now?
I do. I feel much better. I was worried, but now I have a plan.
I am so glad. Let's review the steps for our listeners.
Okay, step 1, reflection. Look at the good things from the past.
Step 2, choose one big goal. Not 10, just one.
And break it into small steps, like walking 20 minutes.
Step 3, use a calendar. Write down birthdays and fun times.
Step 4, pick a word of the year, like calm or learn.
And finally, plan your English with simple habits.
And buy a nice notebook.
Yes, do not forget the notebook.
This is great advice, Emily. Thank you.
You are welcome, Paul. Planning is good for the brain. It stops stress.
Yes, when I write it down, my head is quiet. I can relax.
That is the goal. We want a happy, relaxed new year.
I think it is going to be a great year.
I think so too. And we will be here on Easy American English Channel every week to help you.
Yes, we are part of your plan. Put us in your calendar. Tuesday is Easy American English Day.
I love that. Tuesday is Easy American English Day.
Well, Emily, is that everything for today?
Yes, I think that's it. We have a plan.
Fantastic. This was a very useful conversation.
I hope it was useful for everyone listening at home or in the car or on the bus.
Yes, we want you to have a wonderful new year. But before we say goodbye, we have a question for you.
Yes, a very important question.
In the comments below, please tell us what is your word of the year.
Ooh, good question. Is it happy? Is it money? Is it travel?
Tell us your word. We want to read them. It's very inspiring.
Yes, please share with us. We love reading your comments. And one last time, please subscribe to the channel if you are new here and share this video with your family. Help them plan their year too.
Thank you so much for listening today. It is always a pleasure.
Thank you, everyone. Happy planning.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye.